In today's video, I traveled to the Whitsundays, which you can see behind me, and this place is absolutely incredible. But let's start from the beginning. I just landed in Hamilton Island, and from there I took an island transfer to get to Ardy Beach, where I will spend the next couple of days. But it's been a long day, so I will grab something to eat and then probably have an early night. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning for our first adventure. Good morning guys, so today we are going to Ardy Reef, which is one of the parts you can visit on the Great Barrier Reef. So I headed out with Cruise Whitsundays to Ardy Reef, where they operate a pontoon just next to the colorful coral wall. On the way, as we were passing by the islands, we had a few whale encounters before getting a glimpse of the pontoon. Once we arrived, we had around 4 hours to spend with lunch served in between. Some of the activities include going on a semi-submarine ride and see the reef while staying dry, but also you have the option to go snorkel around. And on the top of all that, Cruise Whitsundays also provides both introductory and certified diving experiences. For those who seek an even more exclusive trip, they can sign up for a helicopter ride to the Heart Reef. So I just arrived here to Hamilton Island, and I thought I should share a little bit of background to the Whitsundays. So in 1770, Captain James Cook, on board of the Endeavour, sailed through these islands during the Whitsun festival. So hence the name comes, Whitsunday Passage and Whitsunday Islands. There are 74 islands, from which 8 are inhabited, mostly with resorts where you can stay at. The most popular islands to stay at are Hamilton Island, Daydream Island and Hyman Island. Although tourism only started in the 1920s on these islands, but pre-COVID times there were 3.5 million visitor nights spent a year. So you can say that this is one of the most popular places to stay in Australia. So to experience as much as I can from the island, first I will go up to Passage Peak, from where, as the name suggests, you see the Whitsunday Passage and the resorts on the island. So right now I'm heading down to the southeast head after Passage Peak, and I just came across this view, and it's just incredible. The whole trail is pure magic. I absolutely love this island. I literally stopped the recording 5 meters from the point, and I got here to southeast head, and it's incredible, guys. That's why I'm usually saying that you should get up and go to hike these trails as early as possible, because no one is around. And I'm not suggesting to always wake up at 6 and be out on the trail at 7, because right now it's 11 a.m. and I met 5 people along the way. So basically, if you start even at 9 or 8, you are still early compared to most people. And I'm just arriving to the last part of my round trip, which is Escape Beach, to see the island from the beach side and from the other side. So yeah, let's check it out. After checking out the beach, I headed back to the marina to take a ride back to Ardy Beach and stroll around the town during sunset. Good morning guys, so today we are heading to one of my favorite places here in Australia. If you are familiar with all the destinations around, you probably know this place. We are heading today to Whitehaven Beach and Inlet. It's gonna be an exciting day. I'm really looking forward to it. Enjoy the next few minutes of this incredibly beautiful destination. Hope I managed to give back at least a part of the experience and the uniqueness of that place. And today, it's already the next day, so today we are going to something as exciting as yesterday. We are going to fly over the Whitsunday Islands.
On my last day, I have decided to go on a jet ski tour around this beautiful island. I cannot think of a better place to hop on one than around the Whitsundays. The 2 hours we spent on the water felt like 5. It provided such a different experience compared to the last few days.
And with that, our Queensland trip already ended. I won't go back to Queensland for at least the next few months, so hope you enjoyed. And yeah, I don't know about my next adventure, but it will be epic for sure. If you haven't seen, I just made a video from Cairns. You should check it out if you are going there, or if you want to explore more of Queensland. Yeah, if you have any questions about the Whitsundays, Cairns, or any locations I visited, then feel free to message me on Instagram. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible, and see you guys in the next one.